How to take someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to take someone off your best friends list on Snapchat. So let's begin. There is no way in taking someone off your best friends list like there is a button. So what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So the first alternative that I can give is to open your Snapchat first and then go to the chat section. And then if you have your best friend, you may be able to choose the emoji right here, which is the heart emoji or the fire emoji. So to remove them as your best friend, what you're going to do is to stop sending them snaps or a message. So you may stop for about 2 to 3 days and that emoji will be removed. And then let's say for example, you want to remove it immediately. What you're going to do is to unfriend that person. So to unfriend that person or user, simply click on their profile right here and then choose the unfriend button if you have it right here, or you may also press and hold onto their chat and then click on manage friendship and click on remove friend right here. So again, there is no button in which you can turn off your best friend, but you may only remove them or not chat them for about 2 to 3 days. You may also change your best friend emoji if you want to by going to your profile, going to settings found on the upper right corner of the screen, scroll down until you can see additional services and click on manage. And then choose friends emojis and then choose the BFF emoji to whichever you want. For example, this one. So that whenever someone sees um your Snapchat messages, the only thing that they may be able to see is the different emoji and not the heart emoji, which signifies that you are best friends. So that's it. That's how you can take someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.